Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share with you why I absolutely fell in love with the 2007 Mercedes-Benz W203, a car that perfectly blends luxury, engineering brilliance, and a sleek, timeless design. First off, just look at this svelte shape. The W203's design is a stunning balance of elegance and sportiness. It's like a smaller, more agile sibling to the E-Class, with smooth flowing lines and a poised stance that commands attention without being flashy. The black paint on this model really makes every curve pop, giving it a presence that's both refined and dynamics. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure luxury. The interior craftsmanship is something Mercedes is known for. Supple leather seats that hug you comfortably on long drives, beautiful wood trim on the dash and doors, and a driver-focused cockpit that feels both sophisticated and inviting to five. Even after all these years, the materials age gracefully, keeping that premium feel intact. The engineering behind this car is just as impressive. The 2007 W203 introduced a smooth 5-speed automatic transmission that makes every shift seamless, enhancing the driving experience. The rear-wheel drive layout, combined with an upgraded suspension borrowed from the CLK's sway bars, gives this car a planted, confident feel on the road, perfect for cornering and cruising alike. I also love the little details that make this car special, like the iconic Mercedes star emblem proudly sitting on the hood, a symbol of heritage and quality. Plus, the MG Sports package on this model gives it a slightly lowered stance and larger 19-inch wheels, which not only improve handling but also add to the aggressive yet elegant looks. And for those who appreciate performance, the exhaust note of the W203 is simply beautiful, with some tasteful modifications like deleting the resonators and pairing it with an MG muffler. This V6 engine sings with a refined yet sporty growl that makes every drive a joy. So, why do I want this car? Because it's more than just a vehicle. It's a masterpiece of luxury, engineering, and design that still feels fresh and exciting today. The 2007 Mercedes-Benz W203 isn't just a car I admire, it's a car I truly love. If you're a fan of timeless style and driving pleasure, this is a model you need to know about. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and let me know in the comments what you love about the W203 or any other classic Mercedes. See you next time.